الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم يا أيها الناس قوا أنفسكم وأهليكم نارا وقودها الناس والحجارة صدق الله العظيم. So my name is Rukaya Feldman. I'm an educational psychologist from South Africa, and I'm so honored to be here today. My paper today is a presentation of a proposal for a postgraduate study with doctorate studies. So I haven't conducted the researches yet. Inshallah ta'ala, this will be my studies for 2025. So my topic of interest is parenting, and the title of my topic is Conscious Mindful Islamic Parenting, or the CMAP approach, and it is an integrative approach to parenting. The subtitle is Integrating Psychological Concepts of Conscientiousness and Mindfulness with Principles of Islamic Parenting. So the introduction. So as we know, as Muslims, parenting plays a critical role in shaping children's development, that is their cognitive, emotional, social, moral, and as well as spiritual. In Islamic communities, this is very important for teaching morals and guides our behaviors as parents. However, there's a limited research that integrates Islamic principles with modern psychological concepts of parenting. So what this research seeks to address is this gap by integrating Islamic teachings with contemporary psychological concepts such as conscientiousness and mindfulness to create a holistic parenting approach. So, inshallah ta'ala, the objectives of this study will be to develop the SEMA approach, number one, to then evaluate the effectiveness of the approach in enhancing parenting practices, and number three, to assess the impact of the CMAP approach on child development outcomes. My research questions are three. Number one, how does the CMAP approach influence or will influence parenting behaviors and attitudes? Number two, what is the impact of the CMAP on child development, including emotional, social, cognitive, moral, and especially spiritual in the context of Muslims or Islamic communities? And number three, how do parents perceive the integration of conscientiousness, mindfulness, and Islamic principles in the CMAP approach? The literature review, inshallah, will be to explore existing research on Islamic parenting, the topic of conscientiousness and mindfulness, and also the integration in the context of modern parenting. I will do a critically examine the principles of Islamic parenting as derived from the Quran and Hadith, and how these align, or how do conscientiousness and mindfulness align with this. Theoretical framework. The theoretical framework for the study will focus on integrating key elements from Islamic psychology, traditional parenting principles, and contemporary psychological constructs, mainly conscientiousness and mindfulness. And inshallah, the goal will be to provide a holistic understanding of parenting in a Muslim context, drawing on religious teachings from the Quran and Hadith, and establish psychological theories. So the theoretical foundations of conceptualization of this is first conscientiousness, which is one of the big five personality traits, and it is described as diligence, orderliness, and self-control, which is a trait that impacts behavior, interpersonal interaction, and also parenting practices. The second one, which is the second concept, is mindfulness, and this is being present and aware, helps parents to manage stress, improve emotional regulation, and respond more effectively to children's needs. Also, Islamic traditions, which is the third concept, it is based on Islamic teachings, encompassing responsibilities, self-discipline, and importance of fulfilling both personal and community obligations. So, if we look at the mechanism, this is a model for the SEMA approach, which we are integrating conscientiousness, mindfulness, and Islamic parenting approaches and traditions. So we will be integrating these two concepts, which are psychological concepts, with Islamic parenting design will hopefully be a mixed method where quantitative data will be collected firstly through parent stress index, conscientiousness scale, and a strength and difficulty scale. The second one will be a qualitative through surveys and questionnaires. And then, of course, I cannot provide any of the other information because it's still a proposal at this point. But the first step for me would obviously be, which I will inshallah be starting with, is to develop the program. And that means I will have developed a curriculum for the CMIP approach. And this will be practical guidance for parents to apply the concepts to daily life and parenting. Then I will have to develop the content, which will encompass material and activities that integrate these core principles of conscientiousness, mindfulness, and Islamic teachings. And of course, to think about how the program will enhance parenting skills, inshallah. So this will be my first step